I lose my house if I need Medi-Cal?
Medi-Cal has different rules. There is a rule for eligibility, there's a rule for what your share of cost or co-payment will be, and then there's a set of rules for recovery. Basically, your home is protected if you intend to return there. I always tell people, if you got well, however improbable that might be, but if you did get well, would you go home or would you stay in the nursing home? Universally, everyone says, well, of course I would go home. So you always intend to return home. It doesn't have to be feasible that you really will. Just, would I go home if I could? Yes. In that situation, your home is protected. It is also protected if your spouse or a minor or disabled child is living in the home. So it can be exempt for eligibility purposes. Can you get onto Medi-Cal? Share of cost is about your income. It has nothing to do with your home, other than if your home is rented, then you need to count the rent from it less the expenses of the home, such as mortgage or insurance and taxes and such, towards your co-payment for the nursing home. But most of the times that's not a big concern for most individuals. But what many individuals do not understand is that when you die, if you do not leave a spouse or disabled or minor child, the state wants its money back. It lets you keep it for eligibility because the state wants you to be able to go home. They don't want you to be trapped in the nursing home where they're paying for you. So when you die, they are willing to now take the money out of the value of your home if you still own it when you die, and they call that recovery. So if you want to protect your home so it goes to your family, you need to you need to mostly be protecting it against the state's recovery.